Today I want to show you how to make a Minecraft server on Minecraft 1.6.2 on Mac. So the first thing you want to do is go to Safari and go to minecraft.net. You can go to download it here, and you can hit right here and you click on here, and that's going to download the Minecraft server. Okay, once you do that, you want to put the download on your desktop and make a folder called Minecraft server, and you want to drag the folder, the server file, into the folder. The next thing you want to do is open text edit, and then just hit a new document, and you want to make sure the format is make plain text, and you're going to want to add these codes. I have these in the down below the video. And this here at Xms1G, that's the amount of RAM that you're giving your server. 1 gig's enough, but you can always change it just by doing that. Whatever you do to this side, you want to make sure you do it to this side here too, but 1 gig is plenty enough. And then once you do that, you want to hit File, Save, and you want to save this as start.command, and you want to save that into your Minecraft server on your desktop. So the folder we made on our desktop, that's where you want to save it to, and you want to make sure you save it as start.command. And that's all that you have to do for that part. Next thing you want to do is give your server permission to run. So you want to go up to search and type in terminal and type in Xmod space A plus X space. So that's Chmod space A plus X, and then you want to take your start.command file from your Minecraft server folder and drag it in to right after. So you want to type in Chmod space A plus X space, and then drag in your start.command file. Then hit return, and then you gave it permission, and that's all you have to do. Next, all you have to do is hit your start.command, and that should bring up this here, and that's just your command here. And then you want to run your server. And once you open your server, you will see a lot of things pop up here, and that pretty much opens up your server, and your server should be working now. So you can close most of this stuff, you don't have to keep most of it open. But this is a working server. This is actually your server here. But like I said, this is a working server, and next I'm going to show you how to make your server name. Alright, now I'm going to show you guys how to set up your server with a name. So you open up your folder, open this up, and then whatever you want, you just type in here for whatever you want to be your server name. Doesn't matter, just type something in here for your server name, file, save. Close out of it, close out of this. So after you set up your Minecraft server, you're gonna want to port forward your router, because that's the only way that other people are going to be able to play on your server. There's plenty of videos on YouTube of how to port forward your router. It'd probably take you 3 minutes at the max, but once you port forward your router, once you have your router port forwarded, you'd go into Google and you type in my IP address, and it's going to give you an IP address. That's your public IP address, and you can just type in my IP address on Google and it'll show you your IP address right on the top. And that's what you're going to want to give people on Minecraft. That's what you're going to want to give them for your server. That's the IP address that they're going to have to use. And for the name, you just give them the name that you created earlier in that on the server. So that's the name that you're going to give them. And then for the IP addresses, you're going to give them that public IP address. And as I said, you can get that on Google. And for port forwarding your router, it is not hard at all. I might make a video. I might do it in a few days. I'm not sure, but there's plenty of videos you can watch right now to show you how to port forward your router. And the only right way to play with other people with your server right now is you have to port forward your router. You have to make sure that you have a static IP address, and you have to make sure that your router is port forwarded, because that's the only way that you'll be able to play with other people on your server. So there's plenty of videos right now on how to port forward a router. So you can just go on to pretty much any video, and it's pretty simple. Just you have to port forward it, and you have to make sure you have a static IP address. And once you do that, you just give the person your name and your public IP address, and that's all you need to give them, and they can start playing on your server together. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. And in a few days, or maybe not too long, I'll put up a video showing you guys how to port forward your router.